Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the JavaScript complete course. So in this video we're going to talk about how to move a div or any other element by using the arrow keys. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So first, inside the body tag we are going to create a div element. So let's type div and we are going to pass the class. So the class will be id. So the id will be my id, and we are going to remove the extra white space, and that's it for HTML. Now inside the style we are going to pass some style. So first I'm going to target the ID, which is my ID, and I'm going to specify the width of the element, which is 22 pixel, and the height, which is 22 pixel as well, and the border will be reduced by 50%, and here I'm going to specify the background color will be a red, and the transition will be 0.2 seconds. Alright, so that's it. Here you can see this is the element with a 20 pixel width, 20 pixel height, 22 pixel width and 22 pixel height, and 50% radius or border radius. After that we are going to jump over to the JavaScript section, and here we are going to add some JavaScript code so that we can be able to move the element by using the arrow keys. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to type document dot on key down is equal to detect key, and after this I'm going to create a function. So the function name will be detect key, and here for the function I'm going to create two. So the first one will be var is pose left is equal to document dot get element by id, and here I'm going to pass the id, which is my id, and after that I'm going to use dot offset left, and var holes top is equal to document dot get element by id, and here I'm going to pass the id again, and after that dot offset top. That's it. And after that alright, so here what I'm going to do, I'm going to say e is equal to e. I'm going to use this to window event, and let me pass the parameter here, and that's it. And after this, inside this detect key function, I'm going to create a if statement. So if e dot key code is equal to 38. So these numbers are the number of every single keyboard keys. So here I have a list of the keyboards keys numbers values. So as you can see, for arrow down we have 40 key value, arrow left 37, arrow right 39, and arrow up for is 38. So I'm going to pass 38 so that when the user use the up cursor, this div element should move. And after that, here I'm going to pass that comment. So this one will be up arrow, and here I'm going to say document dot get element by id, and here I'm going to pass the id of the element, and after that dot style dot margin top is equal to holes top minus 58, and then plus pixel, and after that I'm going to say use the same code for another key. So key code is equal to 40. So this one will be for down key or down arrow key. So this one will be down arrow, and after that I'm going to copy this statement. So I'm going to copy this statement from here and let's paste it here. So we don't need to change anything inside this, and after this if else statement we are going to add another if else, and here we are going to pass for left and right key. So here I'm going to say e dot key down is equal to, so for the left key we are going to use a 37 number. Here you can see for left we have a 37, and after that let me pass a comment for left arrow, and here what I'm going to do, here I'm going to paste the same statement, but instead of this margin top we are going to say margin left, pause left, and that's it. We don't need to change anything, and after this I'm going to add another if else statement, and now I'm going to use the right arrow key. So key code is equal to, for the right arrow key we need to use the 39 number, and let me right arrow, and here I'm going to paste the same statement here, but here I'm going to change into left. Alright, so that's it. That's everything we need to move the element by using the arrow key. Now let me show you. So let's click here, and when I press the cursor it jumps. Let me check where it goes. Oh, I think I have made some mistake. So when I press the down key it jumps to the top. Alright, so here I need to, instead of minus I need to use plus, and the same thing I need to do for the right one. So when I save this and when I move the cursor to the right, the left and the right arrow key, so I have made So I've made error. So I have made some mistake into numbers. So when I use the arrow key, as you can see, this element moves. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will not miss any new updates.